Good morning. 18th of April, European Patient Rights Day. After many years, the reasons that led us to establish it in 2007 and then to encourage its celebration across Europe year after year are more current than ever. The situation we are living is showing the relevance to improve the enforceability, the implementation of patient rights in Europe and in each member state in order to reduce health inequalities. Even if the European celebration of the European Patient Rights Day plan inside within the European Parliament next May will be postponed, in the age of pandemic COVID-19, this anniversary has a particular meaning. Among the others reasons, this pandemic remembers to all of us the widespread responsibility of the long-term weakening of national health systems. I can say it with certainty, at least for my country, Italy. At the same time, it allows us to rediscover the professional and social value of health workers, to whom it goes our eternal thanks for their sacrifice today and an adequate recognition tomorrow. Once again, it lets us recognize the importance of health for all of us and the value of national health system as a common good. These values involve all of us, all of citizens as a whole. These pandemics confront us with the imaging of a European Union pervaded by national egoism rather than widespread solidarity, highlighting the difficulty of the European institutions to make rapid and effective decisions for a common strategy of contrast and reaction to the pandemic. With this message today, in occasion of the 14th edition of the European Patient Rights Day, Active Citizenship Network, the European branch of the Italian NGO Cittadinanza Attiva, wants to communicate a thought and an appeal. Our thought goes to the victims in Europe and around the world of the pandemic, to the families who cry, as well as to all patients, starting with those who are fighting COVID-19. The appeal is instead addressed to European institutions, so that the next Conference of the Future for Europe focuses also on the theme of health. From how important will be the theme of health in the European political debates, we will understand if effectively all policy for a healthy Europe is just a claim or it's the direction taken by the European institutions on the Leidoscope and the Leidoscope with which we will evaluate their work. On this occasion, I would also to send a cordial greetings to those who today, via webinar, participated to the national celebration in Portugal of the European Patient Rights Day, and above all to the organizers. So I especially thank Maria Teresa Flor de Lima, the leader of the Azores Association of Patients with Chronic Pain and the ACN historical Portuguese partner with whom we have been working for years, in particular on the right of patients to avoid pain, and a special thank also to Paula Mouta, President of the European Association of Educational and Preventive Health in Epigenetics, with whom we have recently signed an agreement to work together at the European level. Obrigado.